Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make potato soup with ham. Begin by gathering ingredients and prepping vegetables so everything is ready before you turn on the stove. Chop potatoes into uniform pieces, dice ham, and measure broth and milk. Use a heavy pot to sauté onions and carrots gently in butter until soft and fragrant. This prep makes the cooking stage faster and keeps textures even throughout the soup. Start by melting butter over medium heat and softly cooking onion and carrot to bring out sweetness and aroma. Add cubed potatoes, diced ham, and 4 cups of broth, then raise heat until the pot reaches a gentle simmer. Keep the heat moderate so the potatoes cook through without breaking apart too much. Taste and adjust salt and pepper as it cooks, and stir occasionally to prevent sticking and ensure even cooking throughout. After potatoes are tender, mash a portion in the pot to create a natural creaminess while leaving some chunks for bite and texture. Stir in 2 cups milk and a splash of cream if you want a richer soup, then warm gently without boiling. Fold in fresh herbs such as thyme and chopped parsley, and brighten the flavors with a small squeeze of lemon or a dash of vinegar to balance the richness before serving.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.